Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today I got something pretty cool. My friends from Hand Show sent me these puddle lights that when you open up your doors, they have these Tesla logos and stuff that come on the road. But what's cool about these, and I haven't seen this yet, these lights will actually change color with whatever your interior lights are in your car. I have a 2026 Tesla Model Y, so let's get started on that review and take a look at these things and install them. So here we go, I got the box right here. I got the 4-piece, I believe you can get a 2-piece set, but I went ahead and got the 4-piece. You got 4 different bags right here. It comes with these little magnet or sticker pieces here to help put the control box. This control box is going to go up in the right passenger side foot panel there, where we plug in a lot of other different accessories, and really just going to take this little cable right here, and you're going to use this, and you're going to unplug one, plug it in, plug the other end that you unplugged from the car into this, and there you go. It's that easy. And then you put these stickers here on the back of it like this, or this one's not a sticker. Put this on a sticker on the back, and then you kind of keep it from moving around. But honestly, I just push mine down in a little hole, and it comes with the tool here and a little barcode you can scan. But I'll just show you what one of these lights look like. Actually pretty nice, and they give you a pretty good amount of cable, which is nice about it too. So here's the actual light right here that we're just going to take out the old one, disconnect it, and then plug this where the piece that we disconnect right here, and gives us all this. We'll push this up inside the door, clip this one in there, and it's that easy. Now the only thing you're going to want to do is, after you plug it in, look and see what direction the logo is going, because you want them all going in one direction. I like it so when I open up my door, I look down and I can read it. Sometimes people want it the other way, but I think most people are going to have it when you open the door. It looks like, and I'll show you tonight after I get these things installed what it looks like. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started on installing. I'm going to do all 4 of mine and go from there. All right, so I'm going to start on my back wheel here or back door, and right here is my light. So I'm going to pop this sucker out right here, and I'm going to put my new one right in there. Disconnect it. There you go. Got the old one out. I'm just going to take the same wire right here and plug it right in. There we go. And I can see my light is on. There you go. Just like that. It's already colored, right? Now, that's it. Got this one installed. I'm going to do the rest, and then I'm going to show you how to install the control box in the front. So I want to go around, put the rest of these in, and you can see right here which way your light's going. I got it facing this way, so when I open the door, I can see it on the ground and read. So let me move on. All right, so now that I got them all installed, next thing I need to do is I need to take off my floor mat here, take these covers off right here, because what we need to get to is right back here. I'm going to take this off right here, take this rubber seal off, and then I'll be able to get in there and get that wire plugged in, which is this little dongle set right here. Let's do it. You do need take off one little plug here, use this little tool, pry out that attachment like this. You just got to pry that out. That's all you got to do. And then this pretty much just pull up the bottom, bring it right out. All right, let me show you what we're looking at here. So right here is the one we're going to unplug. Now I've got a couple other things plugged into it, but we're going to unplug that one right there, plug this one into it, and then that piece will go into this end of this one. It's real simple. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead, so I'm going to take this one out right here. Same thing. Plug it in right here. Plug this one in right here. What I did is the same thing as plugging in here. I couldn't get that one out right there, so it's not a big deal. Just plug it in like that. And now I'm going to see if it works. And you can see you got a light flashing in there. So before I stuff all this back in there, let's see if this thing works. All right, sun's in my eyes, but right now I changed it to red. Come over here and look at that in my hand. We got red. Now I'm going to change it back to blue. Okay. Looky there. Now we're in blue. So we're going to take a look at this here at night here pretty soon. All right, now that I know it's working, I'm going to go ahead and stuff all this down into the cubby holes here, put all this back, and then we'll take a look at it here at night and see what it looks like at night. All right, it's a little darker outside, so let's take a look at this. Come up. There we go. Not too bad. Looks good. Let's see what the back door looks like. Yeah, look at that. I like it. All right, let's take a look and see what the different colors look like here. Where we at? Light. That one. Yeah, we got some orange going here. Red. Pink. Purple. Kind of green color. There's white. I'm starting to play with the rainbow stuff here. Yeah. Yeah, this thing's working pretty good. Whatever color you're looking for. Look at that. I do like my blue. I like my blue best. Yeah. As you can see, I kind of got everything blue in my car. I like it. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, there you go. This thing is pretty cool. Once again, it's from Hand Show. If this is something you're interested in, I'll have the link down in the description down below. It's pretty easy to install. Just follow the instructions, follow my video. Guys, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video, subscribe for more, and guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Peace.